So in today's video I want to show you guys how I braid this particular hair. So don't forget, this is a pony style. You're welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my new subscribers, you're welcome. And for you watching my video for the first time, you're also welcome. So in today's video I want to show you exact way I braid this hair, and I'm going to drop a similar video in my description so you go and watch and get the full details on how I ventilate, I draft the cap, and the way I braid. I'll drop the link in my description box. So guys, make sure you watch from beginning to the end. Enjoy. the hair, guys. So this is when I was done, when I put hot water, when I put spray oil and all. So guys, if you are within Ekiti state and you want this hair and you can't go through the stress, yeah, I'll drop my WhatsApp number in my description. But if anywhere in the world, anywhere in Nigeria, okay, let me say it like that, and you want this particular hair, you can't go through the stress, I'll put my WhatsApp line in my description box, so you can just message me and we are going to talk about it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, please. It's very important. Make sure you subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.